Here are today's biggest stories in tech. South Korean chip giant SK Hynix is reportedly planning a $28 billion U.S. listing. This significant move aims to capitalize on the soaring global demand for high-bandwidth memory, critical for powering advanced AI systems. The listing would boost capacity to meet AI and data center development needs.
Microsoft announced layoffs of approximately 4,000 employees, representing 2.1% of its global workforce. The job cuts primarily impacted the Xbox division and commercial sales teams. This follows ongoing restructuring across the tech sector, partially fueled by increased AI automation.
Apple is re-enabling card payments for Apple account purchases in India, ending a 4-year hiatus. This phased rollout follows Apple's adaptation to India's unique payments framework. The move improves user convenience and strengthens Apple's ecosystem engagement in a key growth market.
A growing trend sees affluent families investing in AI-powered educational tools for their children. Startups like AlphaForge Prep offer personalized AI tutoring platforms, with some charging over $10,000 monthly. This highlights a new frontier in AI's application within private education.
New Folderly research indicates teams using AI for outbound email campaigns are facing increased difficulty. The study suggests a harder time achieving desired open and reply rates, possibly due to spam filter detection or diminishing novelty. This reveals challenges in AI's practical business communication application.
A new open-source project, OfficeCLI, enables AI agents to read and edit Microsoft Office files programmatically. This tool provides a command-line interface for AI models to interact with documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. It enhances AI's capabilities for complex data processing and automation.
An AI-generated character named Tilly Norwood is reportedly set to star in a feature-length film. This marks a significant development in the use of artificial intelligence for virtual acting and character generation. It demonstrates AI's expanding role in creative production beyond traditional animation.
Following Microsoft's restructuring, 2 former Xbox studios, Double Fine Productions and Compulsion Games, will retain intellectual property for their existing titles. This agreement ensures the studios keep rights to their games as they transition to independent operations. It signifies a unique move in corporate spin-offs within gaming. That's your Tech for today.